Today we are discussing how to create a Maven project. Okay. So Maven is a project management tool. Okay. And it has some phases. So every project should be compiled, tested, writing some test cases. Okay. Before we have done a Java project, we cannot compile whole the project. We can compile only classes. So whereas in this, when we will get some issues while using Java project, like we will see the errors in the while running it, like there is some jar file is not available regarding. So while using like the project management tools like Maven or Gradle, we will validate like this. Validate the project means where the validate the project will get all the necessary information is available or not. If anything is missing, it will only say as error. If all the required resources are available, it will say success. Okay. So when we use this project management tools, we can validate. Okay. So compiling means it will compile the whole the project, but especially compiling the whole project means it cannot convert the HTML code into any other dot class. But for example, in our registration.java, it will compile, and if there are any errors, it will show it. Okay. Today we are compiling. Okay. So when we compile, it will validate and compile. So when we perform test, it will automatically validate, compile and test. When we install package means creating a jar file for the project. Okay. It will validate, compile, test, package. When we installing means it is creating package in the local repository. At that time it will validate, compile, test, package, verify and install. Deploying means pushing it into the remote repository. Final package is pushing into the remote repository. At that time it will validate, compile, test, package, verify, install and deploy. Okay. So to use a project management tool, I have downloaded the latest zip file and extracted here, downloaded and extracted here. So, and I have copied this folder and pasted in the C program files. Okay. So for that, I have, after pasting it, I have created environment variable as Maven home and given path. Maven home is the directory of the Maven. Okay. Maven home is, we should give the home directory, similar like Java. And in the path, I paste the bin directory up to bin. Similar. In the last class, I have said that we are using JDK 22, but I have I installed the 21 version. Why? Because Jenkins is unable to download using 22 version. Okay. No need to worry. If you are using 22, the Eclipse side will work, but you have to change the Java build path. Okay. So here I am checking whether I have set the path correctly or not by entering the command Maven version. Okay. Maven 3.9.9. So it is installed correctly. Okay. So going to, after the Maven is installed, go to the Eclipse, window, preferences, In Java, select the install JRE. Select, now I installed JDK 21. Let's say select the 21 version by adding and give the directory of 21. It will come. Okay. And similarly, Maven installations. So when we are downloading Eclipse ID, it has downloaded 3.9.7, but I have added again and given the directory of Maven what I have pasted in the program files. So I have selected this, select these changes and apply and close. Okay. Later I'm showing the installation process of Jenkins. Okay. Why? Because I have already installed on the system. I cannot install again. Okay.
Jenkins download has been complete.
So first, when we double click it, it will ask to install on C drive. Okay. After that, when we press next, it will ask whether you want to create user as domain user or run as local server. Okay. So select the run as local system. Okay. And in the next step we are going to verify the port. Okay. If the port is available, use it. If not, change the port number. If it is unavailable, change the port number, press next, and it will, by default it will get the Java path. In our system it will get 21. After that, press next and press the default things. So it is installing. So it will finish. It is the procedure. So for the first time, it will get this page, and you have to paste the default password they have given from some file. They will name the file name, and you have to open the file and paste it, and you have to install the default plugins. After that, you have to create the new password like admin. Okay. So it is a path of initial password, admin password. Okay. You can open it. After that, okay, give initial password, and I will select install suggested plugins. The plugins which are required for Jenkins tool, they will get installed. So what is Jenkins means? It is a server side tool which is used for continuous integration. Okay. In the Eclipse ID, either we can build, either we can test, either we can deploy. We can also perform, when we perform deploy, it will perform all these phases, but we are going to manually come to the Eclipse ID and we have to perform deploy operation. Whereas when we use this Jenkins tool, whenever there is a change in the code repository, we can perform all this operation. It is called as continuous integration. Whenever there is a change in continuous, in the source repository, it will automatically build. Okay, we will create pipeline later, so we are not discussing today. So after the tools has installed, we'll ask for to create username and password. Give all these things as admin. I'm giving my mail ID as indur@gmail.com. Okay, then save and continue. This is the home page you will get. Okay, this is the installation procedure of Jenkins. Okay, it is completed. Now I've said how to set the Maven installation and JDK installation. It is completed. After that, come to here. Maven project, create Maven project, use default workspace. Next, here select internal in the catalog, so the architect types will be available. Will come here. Start is something like running classes, Java classes. Okay, for example, we have created a hello world now. Okay, we can write using the architect type quick start. Okay, now we are creating web application. That's why I am selecting Maven archetype web app. This is the registration app. So I am giving group ID. So group ID means reverse order of your URL. So we don't have any URL, but I am giving as example as I have mavenreg.org, as I have given as group ID as something. It should be reverse order of any URL. You can give anything, but and what is artifact ID means? ID means it's a application name. I'm giving reg app as Maven and Maven reg app. Okay, and press finish. So if the internet connection is fast, it will be created fast, because the Maven project will be downloaded from the Maven repository, from the remote repository. Okay, all the dependency files will be downloaded from there itself. If the net is fast, it will be done easily. The net is slow, it takes more time. So after that, it will ask for your permission to create the project. Give as capital Y, build success. So creating Maven project. Okay, so the only difference between the Java project and Maven project, we are also creating Maven project itself. We cannot build either validate the project. So by using Maven project tools, Maven tool, we can perform this operation like validate, and we can deploy using some commands. Okay, the Java application cannot be deployed by performing operation. We have to manually upload into the server. Okay, instead of it, we can directly perform deployment, also performing some commands. I will show you all of them. Okay, so now the project has created, I think so. So reg C, in the main Java we will write the Java code, and in the test Java we are going to write the test cases. Today we are So I have not created this one, I think. So what I have created, just some similar to quick start, I think. So the project type is, I have created a Maven Ridge app. Okay, this is one I have created. Okay, see, we are getting web app. Okay, so at the first time we will get this error. Why? Because we have created Maven project. So while creating Java project, we are giving runtime, but we have not it didn't ask up still now. So we have to give the runtime. So we have to give one servlet API.jar file. Okay, maybe present, it is present inside the downloads, I think so. Select this target runtime as apply and close. Now the error has gone. Okay, we have added one external library and our target runtime. Okay, so in the resources now you can see they will found in the libraries, no need to worry about it. Okay, see here what are required for it, they are downloaded. So now we have created the project. Now what I am doing, the same process what we have done in the Java, we have to perform here also. What it is means, the web app, where I have done the registration here. So go to here. If you have done the previous project, directly copy the index.html. No, open it. Select the project, copy the project, the Maven, go to web app, right click new, select HTML file, write as index.html. Okay, press finish. Here paste the code from there. Okay, you don't need to create new table for this application. Okay, and what next is, here we have .java, registration.java. Here also go there, and select registration.java and select the written code, copy it, go to our Maven project, go to Java main resources, right click, select new and select servlet, press the button and give the class name as registration, press next. So in the URL mapping, edit it, okay. Directly we can give here itself. I am giving what I have written in the index.html. Okay, press next. I am selecting only doGet method and the file has opened. I am writing the doGet method by pasting it. Any errors? No errors. I am saving it. After that, what are required still? You want only lib. So directly go to the web app, open web-inf, go to the lib, right click, copy, where is Maven? So I am removing index.jsp. Okay. Inside web-inf I should have lib folder. So going and pasting on web-inf. Okay, it has been created. Okay, we can create build in the Eclipse today also. I will show you. Right click on the project. In the Maven, update the project. Okay. And again go to the project, right click and run as Maven clean. Okay, either it will show all the Maven comments we can do. So I am selecting Maven build. So the goal is compile. Apply, run. So I am compiling the project. Okay. So while compiling also we should have net. Why? Because okay, we are getting errors. We are getting build failure. Okay. Before that, I have not installed servlet API at the correct position. Let me check.